Bet y'all thought I took a break and stopped or something. I like that candle, smells good. Wiped it down, cleaned everything out of here. Cleaned the floors good. Blew all the dust out of the shop. Hold on. Took this whole thing apart the other day. Spent a whole day on it. It was disgusting. So I got some air blowing nice and cool in here. Get the headliner cut out and sewn together last night. It's 2 halves right now because I still have some more sewing. I ordered some stuff for it. One thing. Come back to it in just a minute. Alright, where we leave off on the last video, we didn't have the carpet down. It's cut out, fitted, plates on, kick panels on, door triggers on. I got it unplugged because I keep opening the door, so all that works. I got a bulb that's popped over there, and that one too, I think. But we got a new dome light. That's odd and end parts. Let's see, let me get up here. It's done. Dash bezel is in. So I've been waiting for a headlight switch. I ended up getting the headlight knob that we were missing. I still had the old switch, so I put it in there. And a few minutes later, it was smoking. So I took it back out. So we're actually waiting on a new headlight switch. Luckily, I caught it just in time. Digital dash is in for good. Radio. Cigarette lighter, he got a new one of those too, but it doesn't plug into the original harness. Yeah, it just keeps on. But that's how these cars are. I'm not complaining. It's part of it. So I had the bezel on the work table for weeks waiting for those 2 little parts. It started to hold me up on my other work. So I finally just installed it in here. So here we are. Got these parts from the same guy that built the kick panels. I didn't do these. Even though I'm going to have to go back and do some work on them. They're nice. Good job. Good job, but Lord, man. You can't just put a raw edge glued. That ain't going to stay. First hot summer, that's all going to be peeled up. They light up nice. I don't do that work, so, yep. I don't have nothing to etch in symbols. Alright. So there's that. Still, supposedly the shifter I had will work, so we'll see. Headliner will be next. Once that's in here, I can put all that trim that's ready. Start putting that in. I need some plastic clips for the sides though. 6 of them, I think. And the rest of the trim have screws. Put stainless screws in them. There's the pieces I'll have to redo to mount the speakers. These are off, and one of them's not mirror image where it'll recess right. So I have to fit all that back there and see how the speakers are going to fit. Make sure they don't hit anything back here and look decent and match the space they're at behind the grills. So I guess I'll cut some new boards out. You gotta take some sandpaper over the edge like that. That's all you had to do. And it's nice and smooth. All right. Ooh, I can be mean too. Waiting on the listing material. I went ahead and ordered a $50 roll just for this. It's the little things. I've been here before. This place is familiar. These little listings that a metal rod goes in. That's a thin material. If you use something thicker, like a vinyl, those plastic clips that we just took all that time together will not clip over onto the metal rods, which we still don't have. I'm just going in faith. We'll find them. We'll find something. They'll show up. That'll be the only thing we're lacking for the headliner. So I got 1/2 and 1/2 sewn together here. That way I can come back when the material shows up tomorrow. I can sew on the listing here and here, and those two, and then just put the 2/2 together, do that seam in the last listing. And once the rods are here, it can be installed. 4-door Caprice. Let's see, it'll be next. 2 parts. There's 2 4-door Caprice, a dash for one, a maroon one, and the butterscotch door panels for the car we started a few months ago. And then the back panels. Alright, I'll end it there. There was more, but I'm gonna wait a minute before I come back on the next one. You'll see quite a bit together on the next one. Let's start test fitting everything back here. So I'm gonna get the headliner done, trim, kind of all that done, except for the top of the dash. Get all this fitted and mocked up. And then it has panels that go back there. Sail panel. Cut those out once the headliner's in. I think he has old ones that are still in good shape. And just recover them. Alright, peace to the next one. Thanks for sticking with me. God bless everybody. Good work on everything too, guys. Peace.